right now the time is 10:30 and I'm recording for safety. I'm recording it on the phone. I've already recorded in the GoPro, but last time when we went to Mahabaleshwar, some clips did not get recorded. So to be on the safer side, I'm recording it on a phone. And right now the time is 10:30. We have covered almost like 250 odd kilometers. The last break what we took was at 8:30. That is like 100 kilometers back. There are two reasons for taking this break. First one is being the hydration break. Keep yourself hydrated on rides. Second break is because of the bump. 100 kilometers mache bok dukle. 2 hours in the saddle. So yeah, more I think around 220-ish kilometers left. So we should reach, including the lunch break and all, we should reach by 4 o'clock. Upwards of 4 o'clock is what I feel. So yeah, we'll take a 10-minute break here. We'll just it's nice and cool right now because I'm under a shade, but I'm sweating. It's hot out here, but yeah, that's about it. So right now I am close to Karad and close to connecting the main highway there. Right there is the main highway. I think it is just 1 kilometer away from here. But this particular place, the riding culture is so pathetic. It is like Baba कोणूय खंयच्यानूय join जाता रस्त्याक. Or on the main road, like if you are following your lane and if you are going at like what 70, 80, suddenly an uncle comes in from I don't know where. You have two options. He's like, in his mind he might be like, भाई दोन रस्ते असा, एक तर आपल्या घोडे, एक तर तू राव. Like फाटी फुडें पळोवप ना, कांयच ना, डायरेक्ट गाडी घालप भितर. सेकंडली मदल्यान गाडी खंयूय सायडलाक म्हणटा ती लायफान केन्ना पावली पळोवपूच ना दिसता. सो इट्स लायक दॅट. एंड केन्नाय खंयूय लेफ्ट मारता, केन्नाय मेन रोडार खंयूय लेफ्ट रायट आनी मदींच रावप एक एकदां. हा वा 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 वा. लिटरली हाका बसतलो. आय वॉज जस्ट रेस्टिंग. इट्स लायक 300 kilometers. आय जस्ट टेकन अ हॉल्ट. एक उदक पिलो, सॉ दीस शेड and the heat is too much, so I just halted here. I sat here. I was literally about to see an accident right in front of my face. I was literally about to see an accident right in front here. Ek to uncle from there, from here, this place, uncle is like na ba fati pole and na pude पहिला असतले. फाटी पोकूच ना, zoop direct hanga. He's not even on the center line. From here to here, this thing you can see. Cross फाटी रोड अशी हांगा ब्रेक मारला स्कूटरीन. बट काका डजंट केअर. काका इज इन हिज ओन मस्त मगन. चलो लेट्स मूव फ्रॉम हियर एंड नेक्स्ट probably might wait for lunch. Right time right now is 12 o'clock. 10 मिनटां उरल्या 12 जावपाक. So yeah, around 1:30 we'll halt for lunch and then move forward. Okay, so right now the time is 1:20 and we are almost there. We've covered like close to 400, around 380 or 390 kilometers. It is showing as more 2 hours left. मतलब आता जेवतले अर्देवर वयतले, तेच्या फुडले 2 वरां ते सोड. Around 95 kilometers more remaining and it's hot. It's very very hot. It's unbearably hot. Okay, even तेणे आतां फाटी फॅन लायल्लो आसा. Party fan लायल्लो आसा. Even that fan, even that fan is throwing like hot air. So hydration is important. And yeah, I've ordered some chicken and some roti. So we'll wait for a good half an hour here. We'll eat. See, traffic मातसो केन्ना लागतलो once we enter Pune city. तेन्ना मातसो चड traffic लागतलो. सद्या कांयच ना. It's all straight highway and open roads. And yeah, we've been doing a constant of around 80-85, which is good enough, safe enough on Indian highways at least. So yeah, that's about it for now. We'll have our lunch and then move forward. Literally असं दिसतं की आहे हे हॉटेल विकता घेतला. कोण ना, आय डोंट नो. आय डोंट नो. यू कॅनॉट स्विच. सो देयर इज नो वन. we're heading back to Goa now, and the initial plan was to go to Ellora Caves and then go to Ajanta Caves, but that did not happen due to certain circumstances. So nevertheless, maybe it was not meant to happen and we were supposed to go there some other time. And Makashesta, if we would have gone there, it would have been very hot, because in Pune itself the temperature was at an upwards of 40 degrees. So Ellora Ajanta तर आनिकूय चड आसता आसतलो. So nevertheless, we will go there some other time. But right now, we are heading back home. We are at Anushkura Ghat, and one of the most beautiful ghats that I have seen. What roads, what beautiful roads. This is the same road that we had taken when we had gone to Mahabaleshwar. And yeah, I'll just show you all Mache Fude, because I won't stop any further. So yeah, this is the ghat. This is the road that we have to go down. That is the lake. Third zoom karna, but yeah, this is the lake. We've come this way. What's a fatiyata? Vara sod mata. We've come this way, and we'll be going down this way. So that's about it. And with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the vlog in some or the other way. Thank you for making me a part of it. And bye bye, take care, stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and keep traveling, keep enjoying, and peace. Chalo, bye. Like, share, subscribe.